Hello, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a cute postcard and it's going to be a screen record of my process. I thought I would show you how it actually looks when you draw and it's not sped up, because sometimes it looks like it's easy and things go fast, but it's actually just very sped up. I'm going to create a quick avocado and toast postcard, and it's part of the 30 days create a habit with me, and I'm drawing each day for 15 minutes. So I just thought I'll show you while I do this voiceover. So we're starting with an avocado, half an avocado actually, and as you can see, it's super easy. It's like a pear, and then you create a circle and then some cute eyes and the mouth, and they like to add these dots. It's just a fun detail. And the toast I'm doing right now, it seems like I haven't drawn a toast in my life, but sometimes it happens. So let's try again. I'm doing a piece of bread, a piece of toast, and I'm not very satisfied with what this looks like right now. Okay, so something along these lines, in a way. Okay, so this goes. Again, adding some cute eyes and mouth and some little cheeks. I think these are the funniest, and I have a whole series of these types of postcards, and I think they're just a cute gift and a cute way of saying I like you, I love you, you mean a lot to me. And it goes, we go together like avocado and toast. I like adding a little cloud. This goes well for stickers as well. Excuse me. And it's a simple postcard that can be reused later as stickers and as other stuff. So now I'm going to add my usual palette. I've been using the same palette for a while now, and it's actually really good. It saves up a lot of time and a lot of mental load. So I'm gonna select another layer, and then we are gonna start drawing in. I'm not gonna color in, usually I do that, but now I just wanted to use this as a sketch and then color in. So I'm drawing these, and I'm gonna leave you to it, and I'm gonna link the video in where I created the avocado, and you can see how easy it is, and you can create it yourself. So I hope you enjoy this one. I'm keeping it pretty minimal, just adding a few highlights, a few shades here and there, nothing too complicated, because I want this to be done in 15 minutes, and also because I'm experimenting with keeping things light and simple and minimalist. Here I filled in the page by mistake, and again, simple colors, not many shades, not many tones, just basics. added in the blush, and you cannot see it right now because it's under the skit, but you'll see it in the end. And now I'm adding the eyes. These are really cute gifts for your best friend, your sister, your brother. It's a really nice way of saying, hey, we really get each other. Now I'm starting to draw the piece of bread, and I don't like how I did this, so I'm gonna delete and redo. Now for the next step, let's add in the background. It's going to be easier to see everything in like put together. And now I'm going to add the little white cloud behind the design, and I'm gonna make my brush bigger, and I'm just doing this. It's again a personal preference. I like how it looks. I think it's fun, and I do this. Now I wanna save up the we go together like avocado and toast. I liked how I wrote it, so I'm gonna isolate isolate that from my sketch, and the rest of the sketch I'm gonna delete it later. And pretty much this is done. I'm just adding a few more things like shadows and some other hearts, dots, whatever, like final details. Decided to do an outline anyways. I just feel like it makes it look more put together rather than just leaving it like it is right now. I'm not doing the whole outline, I'm just doing bits and pieces. I'm not doing this all the time with my drawings, but most of the time I like doing it.